Hi, I'm Arjun. A few months ago, I wanted to learn machine learning. It seemed to be a key technology for the future. I thought of learning online. I watched videos and read tutorials. I even attended some online classes. However, I was overwhelmed and confused by the number of concepts involved, and I gave up. Then my friend Krishna asked me to attend a workshop, the Machine Learning Deep Learning Getting Started workshop by Simple Labs. The workshop gave me complete clarity on the what's what of machine learning, the machine learning process flow, the tools and terminologies involved. It even got me working hands-on on my first machine learning project. I am much more confident with my machine learning skills now, and I'm able to use the online resources more effectively. You too can get started with machine learning. Enroll for the Simple Labs Machine Learning Workshop now.